Good morning, students. Today we will learn about business economics, its nature and scope. So, to start, let's just understand what is business economics. Business economics is a combination of business and economic theory. So, when economic theory is applied to various aspects of business, we get business economics. It is the practical aspect of economics applied to the business environment. Now, business economics helps in two ways for any corporation. One, in decision making, where any business has the basic issue of limited resources and unlimited wants, as does every consumer, household, or producer. And in this situation, economics helps any businessman or corporation to make a logical and profitable choice. It also helps them in forward planning because another aspect of economics is forecasting. So, when forecasting is applied to business to understand what can be the possible future trends, it can help a business prepare for the future. Now, what are the various aspects of business to which we apply economic theory? So, economic theory, concepts, principles, and techniques get applied to these particular aspects of any business: production, costs, price determination, stocking decisions, working capital, capital investment, profit planning, and make or buy decisions, where there is a choice for the producer to make his own inputs or to buy certain inputs. So when we apply these decisions to a business based on economic theory, we get business economics, which provides optimum solutions to these problems and allows a business to achieve its goals. There are two types of goals which any firm has. One is profit, second is expansion, and both of those can be achieved using these principles. The nature of business economics, it covers microeconomics, where we talk about individual firms or individual markets and how a particular firm should behave, how it should make decisions in any particular market. The next is application oriented, where we apply business and we do not bother about the economic theory. It also helps in policy planning, where we talk about how a business should react to a change in the environment or a change in government business practices. It also helps governments to make policies which will encourage and nurture more businesses or entrepreneurs. The components of business environment are better understood using business economics. Any business works in an environment which is composed of its market, its competitors, its suppliers, its consumers, and the government. And to understand these various components and how to benefit from them is an important aspect of business economics. And business economics is also interdisciplinary, where it overlaps with statistics in econometrics, it overlaps with financial markets, it overlaps with government policy, it overlaps with utility maximization by consumers, and also with production theory. And lastly, it also consists of economic models, which is not an integral part of this course. The scope of business economics is demand analysis and forecasting, where the various aspects of demand are analyzed, and forecasting can be used to predict the future demand, on basis of which a producer or supplier or business can make their decisions, which we have already talked about. Cost and production analysis, where we try to understand costs and production in the long run and in the short run, and how such decisions are made, what is the ideal kind of input components which should be used, and how a business should make decisions regarding hiring and firing of various factors, production factors. The market structure and competition, where we learn more about the various types of markets and how they apply to our business decisions. Pricing decisions and policies and practices based on the market, based on the competitor, and based on the type of good we are selling, and based on the costs. Profit management, of how to distribute profits, how to maximize profits, and how to reinvest them to ensure longevity of the business. Capital management to ensure maximum returns, and government regulations in order to better understand and profit under the